How to fix annoying green lines on iPhone screen in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. You will check your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it not latest, so update your software latest. After updating, go back to home screen and you will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so click the power button and volume down button at the time and power off the phone. After restarting, enter phone passcode and you will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so again click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, click on general. Now here scroll down to end, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all setting, enter phone passcode, click on reset all setting. It's just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. So after the restarting, go back to home screen and so that's how you can fix annoying green lines on iPhone screen in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.